Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
Most people don't realize this, but every morning when you open your eyes, a silent war begins. Not a war with the world, not a war with circumstances, but a war with the older version of yourself that is fighting to stay alive. The law of attraction cuts straight through the illusion. Your outer world is nothing but a mirror of your inner world, and that's the part most people run away from, because it forces you to confront the truth that everything in your life right now, your income, your confidence, your relationships, your opportunities, is a reflection of the identity you've been protecting. Daniel spent years stuck in the same loop. He woke up tired, lived in doubt, talked himself out of opportunities, surrounded himself with people who thought small, and wondered why nothing changed. Until one day, he read the sentence that shattered his entire worldview. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. That line didn't motivate him, it exposed him. It showed him that his life wasn't stuck because of fate or luck. His life was stuck because he was still acting like the previous version of himself. And until that version died, nothing new could be born. So he made the decision most people are terrified to make. He stopped trying to fix his life and started fixing himself. He began each morning with a brutal question. If the future version of me walked into my room right now, would he even recognize me? If the answer was no, he changed something immediately. The book describes a technique that became his weapon. Visualize the final moment, then walk backwards, step by step. Daniel didn't just imagine success. He imagined the identity required to maintain it. He saw the posture, the tone of voice, the discipline, the clarity, the emotional strength. And for the first time, he saw how far his current self truly was from the life he wanted. But visualization alone is spiritual entertainment. So he acted. He changed how he spoke. He cut people who drained him. He stopped explaining himself to small minds. He stopped waiting for motivation. He stopped defending old habits. Because the book warns, you cannot attract a new life while vibrating in the frequency of the old one. To attract a higher level, he had to become a higher level. Daniel's biggest breakthrough wasn't success, it was responsibility. He realized that every thought he tolerated, every emotion he fed, every behavior he repeated was a direct message to the universe about the life he believed he deserved. The law of attraction states it clearly. Your vibration is not in your intention, it is in your repeated actions. So Daniel stopped negotiating with the weak version of himself. He stopped asking for permission. He stopped waiting for signs. He became the sign. But his biggest fear was receiving the life he had been asking for. Every time an opportunity arrived, he questioned it. Every time progress appeared, he flinched. The book calls this the great tragedy of humanity. Many people manifest the dream, but they do not claim it. Daniel realized that success wasn't avoiding failure. It was being brave enough to say yes when life finally responded to your alignment. So he trained himself to accept everything he once pushed away. Praise, opportunities, responsibility, visibility, discomfort, and growth. Before sleeping, he repeated one sentence. Today, I acted like the person I'm becoming, not the person I used to be. If he didn't, he adjusted. No guilt, no shame, just correction. Identity is repetition, not perfection. And slowly, the shift became undeniable. People treated him differently. Opportunities appeared faster. Doubts faded. His energy changed. His direction sharpened. Not because the universe finally chose him, but because he finally chose himself. Now the question is this: what version of you is running your life right now? The one you're proud of, or the one you're stuck with? Are your actions matching your dreams or your fears? Are you acting from your future or repeating your past? Because the law of attraction isn't magic. It's not crystals. It's not wishing. It's not whispering affirmations hoping life will change. It is identity. It is alignment. It is the courage to stop being the person who survives and start becoming the person who creates. Your life won't transform when you get lucky. Your life will transform when your identity becomes impossible to ignore. So starting today, walk, talk, think, choose, behave, and decide like the future version of yourself. Remove what weakens you. Accept what strengthens you. Act without hesitation. Step into the identity that your destiny requires. And if you're ready to kill the older version of yourself and build the version that attracts the life you truly want, subscribe now, because the next video will take you even deeper into the mindset that rewires your future from the inside out.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined. Stay clarified.